I am Dr. Suarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. A ferritin blood test measures iron storage levels in the body and is important in infertility investigations because iron deficiency can affect fertility in both men and women, and also iron overload can also have a negative impact. Let's look at what this blood test is all about. The purpose of a ferritin test is to measure the amount of ferritin, which is a protein that stores iron in the body in your blood. Now, why is it important? It helps to determine if you have enough iron stored, which is very critical for various bodily functions, including oxygen transport and energy production. A ferritin test can help diagnose or rule out iron-related conditions like iron deficiency, anemia, which is low iron stores, or hemochromatosis, which is iron overload. What is the normal range? Normal ferritin levels may slightly vary between laboratories, but generally levels of 30 to 300 nanograms per milliliter are considered normal for men and 10 to 200 nanograms per milliliter for women. But why does it matter in infertility? It matters because we have to look at a few things like iron deficiency. In women, low iron stores, which is low ferritin, can lead to irregular periods, decreased fertility, and increased risk of miscarriage. In men, iron deficiencies can negatively impact sperm quality and motility, affecting male infertility. The overload, the other side, is also not very good. Excess iron or high ferritin can also negatively impact fertility, although the mechanisms are not totally understood. There are other health conditions also that we need to talk about. Ferritin levels can be elevated in certain conditions such as liver diseases, chronic inflammation, and some cancers, which can directly affect fertility. How can we diagnose and monitor? A ferritin test can help identify iron deficiency or overload, which can be addressed by dietary changes or iron supplementation, potentially improving fertility outcomes. Regular monitoring of ferritin levels can be important during fertility treatment. So when should you get a ferritin test? If you have symptoms of iron deficiency such as fatigue, weakness, dizziness, or pale skin, you should get it done. And also if you have difficulty in conceiving or have a history of miscarriage. Likewise, if you have other health conditions that may affect iron levels, or if you are undergoing fertility treatment. So these tests are important when you are undergoing these above mentioned conditions. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.